Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. And if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, Andre Stevens and Jamaica's very first dancehall queen, Carlene, are both exposing Shelly and Curran as former friends have turned foes. Or if not friends, let's just say acquaintances. I couldn't hear what going, and then we'll continue the reason. Of course, I want to look, and I want to listen.
There was something I saw when she always used the baby. I said, oh, this is what make me know so she never connected to the picnic. Because
None at all.
me
None
know,
at all.
me know said
When she
Justin.
saw it there, like when you greet dog.
Yeah.
When you come home and you go greet the dog.
Wow.
So she greeted. So when Mrs. Shell carry on now, probably not the later end, probably like 2 years before that, she probably she used to just have it there.
Yeah, but remember, so how she reached this, Carlene, because she lose the husband now. She lose the work at Digicel.
So she turned to the picnic. By this, the picnic now even, and she and her big daughter never used to agree.
I knew. That's why I can't talk. I'm say you can't talk, Shelly, because I look in your life and I saw the things of my mother and me, and it's the said.
And the little picnic didn't follow she bright, but she walk out her mother. Rum blood used to there at them house. Everybody know who rum blood is. Well, with the husband and she had going rum blood.
So rum blood, so him a one Dan or something?
No, Dan. Him used to be in a dance hall. I don't know if he play select. I'm not sure what. I'm not sure. But him known in her like, no, which day I'm done. She used to have him in her house.
And then Ashley are the one way.
Ashley take her blood clot husband, nearly mother.
So who was her husband?
No, nearly. When mother it send her go get pill.
Who her husband?
Ashley. Her husband was the CEO, Mr. Curran, when Steve Curran. Him used to be something at Digicel, so she get the position.
Oh. So she never really get the position per merit.
You know what? I now go say that. I don't know. I don't remember. Cause a long time. But it so happened that they fuck. You chat anything you want. The man where she married to, the strange looking white man, it was some big part of Digicel. And she man, but the man don't know enough for the things till when the man know say certain things and take Ashley. Him and Ashley in the apartment downtown and Oceana say those things.
No, sir. And this are really the auntie.
Yeah. So she want to talk our business. I want to do this.
They've been the doctor.
They've been having at the house. And one next little one from Digicel Rising Star.
How would the Romanian verb? Christmas.
No, him never win. Him name one next little young one. She didn't have him there too. We not see him back. While she had grind them, her husband lived there.
No.
And the husband never do nothing more than left her for Ashley. Left her and it nearly mother. No, nearly you can't say mother. Because she never thinks say Stephen did ever leave her. His name Stephen Curran.
And I know that all of them taxing energy there in her, and it has steam her up now, to come so she go find the dirtiest of dirt for me. Carlene, I will remind her, Shelly, I know it all. And if you come after me,
I'ma tell you when you draw the Ashley, I'ma tell you say she couldn't sleep. She nearly mad. Not nearly, she was mad.
So Ashley from Barronley and the Dragonaires.
Yeah, Ashley from the fashion, the clothes, we do the Ashley whatever, the black girl. We do her body. She take Shelly husband and take him home back. And she make people in a problem with the girl. Yeah. There was no secret that the man left her feet. The man come out her house.
That's why you always keep to me, because you always say, me have to go protect that little youth yourself. Anybody come after him, me go give them.
I'm tell you this, but you don't believe me.
Carlene,
you ever hear me in a mix up or tell nobody business? I tell you, but you don't believe me. I go for all my spirit tech people, From day one, I just love you. From me meet you up, you know, remember?
High-low
From me,
supermarket.
nope, nope.
What me
You
mean?
see in bold track when you come with Terry, whatever his name is. Yeah, a long time, you don't know me, no.
Oh, see me not remember that part. I remember me say high-low.
No, the first time you meet me and you hug me and say, you're one of my biggest fans. You see in both track, you came with Terry Arlong, you always want name. You had on your suit
Oh,
and you was
Orlando
oh
Terry Long, because I was
yes.
confirming the seat with him for Andrew.
Listen,
You know
me
for
not forget
true.
nothing.
You're
Me
true.
look here. The next time I saw you, you don't see me. You are with Julia Oldness, so nobody can tell me nothing.
Oh,
Alright.
you connect all of that them for true.
Yeah, that's a mistake. We just don't talk. So me know. And then we'll see when you see me again, you see me in a general suits.
And you know me gonna ask you for the Carlene. There's a lot of people, including yourself, that is crying from Pinky's death. I want to find 2 more of them and I want to find my house. Me need you to complete a process with Pinky that you never get to complete. You hear?
Alright, no problem.
I want
Yeah.
to
What do you
find
mean by 2 more?
the process cannot start if there's not 3.
Oh, so me must come with 2 more persons.
Yeah, but if you can get Beanie Man and somebody else who were very instrumental, is even
me not talk to Beanie Man.
but you need to get there back because him give enough hurt and Danai give enough hurt. Enough of the great men them in the industry give enough hurt. You have to deal with all of that to get back your true queen in the dance hall.
Yeah.
You understand?
You see what yeah, what I do, them not hurt me no more, you know, cause
No.
them
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Yeah, me I listen.
I want to get a new book. And you see your book is going to be a white book. White book. Because you come from another divinity. You get me?
Yes.
You recognize you always love the white here and them something there. There's a reason for that, Carlene. However, carry your white book and carry 2 more persons who you trust. Don't carry Crystal yet. Crystal not ready yet.
No. Me not bring Crystal nowhere. Me not, yeah, me only bring
But
her.
I'm saying to you, find those 2 people, Carlene. And there's a reason why I never let you in my life yet. I was seeing to see whether or not you're one of the genuine ones, because too much woman come with the spirit of Jezebel, and what them do to me, mess me up like Juliet Oldness and Shelly Curran.
No, I'm tell you, when I saw you one time and I said to you, again, them did call somebody. I never see you yet. I'm see you at the fabric store. I'm say you don't know me. A few people, but take to. Remember when you called me, you say you want dinner?
Yeah, that's
okay,
true. I could appreciate it, Carlene. I never expected you to, because here's why. I see you all the time around her.
No, me not around her. She around me.
Oh.
You know how much time she tell me for come on tea time? Me dodge it. Me not do mix up and she go want go in some things where. So when we come from me show, me tell you say Andre, it's about you.
Yeah.
She's not gonna do that. And I keep dodging her.
Yeah, man. I'ma tell her what they say. You know when me really hurt Carlene? Or when she call me and say, Andre, if you have anything from a genuine space, we tell L.A. Lewis. I'ma tell L.A. Lewis you have a powerful voice, but it is misused and it has created an order of chaos on this land. What you turn around and do? L.A. Yeah, Andre, they talk to you. You want dressing? And she
I don't like so she's going at any angle to get this attention. It's so wrong.
It's vulgar. It is horrid.
Yeah, I see she dig up some people story where she know and I'm saying I call her out on it. I say, Shelly, no, you don't need to do that. You will get there.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to teach her, because she that's why she go for SS.
Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, we'll click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share, and tell a friend, tell them sister, and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion, the comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, love, and prosper, and for you to stay tuned until the reason again.